Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x, and today we're going to be installing Lamin-x precut kits on the entire front end of this Audi Q7 Quattro. Starting with the headlight, you just want to clean and remove any dust or dirt from the surface and then remove the Lamin-x from the liner. Start with the flattest and easiest part of the light to line up your Lamin-x and use your fingers to gently tack on the Lamin-x on the rest of the light. Then use a squeegee to squeegee all the water out from underneath and cut off the handling tabs. Now your headlight is protected. Now you just have to repeat the same process with the driving light / turn signal and the fog light, but the driving light is really flat and an easy installation. The only problem is we had a little bit of excess Lamin-x to cut off at the end with this pre-cut kit. Moving on to the fog light, you just want to clean the surface and repeat the same installation process. Use your finger in kind of a circular motion to apply all the Lamin-x down, and then you can even tuck in the handling tabs on these. And now the entire front end is protected. If you want to find out more about our Lamin-x pre-cut kit, visit our website. Thanks for watching.